Hello students, today I am going to discuss uniform or rectangular distribution. As till now I was discussing discrete probability distribution. From today I am going to discuss continuous probability distribution. In that there are some distribution students. In my other videos I will discuss normal, exponential, gamma, beta and Cauchy distribution. And you might be remembering students, when we used to calculate discrete distribution, we used to have summation with it and we used to have p of x, right? Now if it is a continuous distribution students, it will be integral and we will be having f of x. Remember this students. Now if here we have a definition, a continuous random variable x in the interval a to b has the probability distribution function f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a, with a less for x a to b means a less than x less than b. This one students, remember. So here this was the definition students. It will have x follows uniform distribution with a comma b as parameters. X follows uniform distribution with a comma b as parameters. Now in this lecture I am going to discuss the moments of rectangular distribution. Rectangular distribution and or uniform distribution both are same students. Okay. So in rectangular distribution, the first is the formula we need to discuss. What is the formula students? It is mu r dash is equal to integral of, as we got a rectangular distribution from a to b, a to b I have discussed, that's why it is integral a to b x power r into f of x dx. Now if I integrate this x power r, we will get x power r plus 1 by r plus 1. This 1 by b minus a, we can keep it out before the bracket. Now as it is from limits a to b, it will be b power r plus 1 minus of a power r plus 1 into this r plus 1 and this b minus 1. These two things we will write here. Now if we substitute in this r is equal to 1, it will be b square minus a square by r plus 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into b minus a. Now b square minus a square is nothing but b minus a into b plus a. We can cancel this b minus a and b minus a. We will be left with b plus a by 2. Again if it is r is equal to 2, it will be b cube minus a cube. In place of r students, here we are putting r is equal to 2. So b cube minus a cube will be there with divided by r plus 1 is 2 plus 1. It will be 3 into b minus a. Then this b minus a. What is b cube minus a cube students? It will be b minus a into b square plus a square plus ab, right? b square plus a square plus ab. This b minus a and this b minus a will be cancelled. Here it is written, and this b minus a and this b minus a will be cancelled. We will be left with b square plus a square plus ab. Now this mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square, we will put it here in this. We will get the answer as b, just cross, this is 2 square, no, it will be 4. So this 4 into this 3, it will be 12. 4 3s are 12. Then we can multiply this part with into 4 and this part into 3. We will get this value, and after b square minus 3b will be b square, 4b square. Then 4a square minus 3a square will be a square. Then students, 4ab minus 6ab will be what? It will be minus 2ab. Now the answer will be b minus a whole square by 12. After that students, you will be having mu3 dash also you know. The main things are mean and variance. Just remember how to calculate the students. After that we can calculate r is equal to 3. If we put r is equal to 3, you will get b power 4 minus a power 4. Then you will get the answer last like this. B power 4 minus a power 4 is b square minus a square into b square plus a square. Then this b square minus a square, we can put it as b plus a into b minus a. Then b minus a will get cancelled and you will be left with b plus a into this b square minus a square, just it is coming here, divided by this 4 here. Then students, after that we are going to calculate mu3. What is mu3? Mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash cube. Then just substitute whatever answers you got. You will get the answer as 0 students, remember. Then after that you can put r is equal to 4. What is r is equal to 4? You will get b power 5 minus a power 5 into divided by b into b minus a. Then you just put mu4, the formula of mu4, and substitute all the values which we got here, and after that you will be getting the answer for this as what is the answer? It is this one. The last answer is this one. Just remember this one students. Just substitute all those values and you will get the answer. Now thank you for listening to my lecture. Please like, share and subscribe.